Thanks for stopping by the shop. This is Chuck, and this is a very short video that I want to talk about here. This morning my wife and I were on our morning walk, and this was set out for the trash. And the good seagull that I am, hurrah, hurrah! I knocked on the door and said, "Hey, can I take that?" And the lady said, "Yeah, if you grab it before the trash man gets there." So of course, good seagull that I am, I ran home, got my truck, and loaded it up. It's a light duty cabinet, and for free, what the hell? Well, when I opened it up, you'll see that this piece falls down, and it's basically the upper latch for the door. And they basically had a piece of tape with a little piece of plastic that they were trying to use to hold the part in place. It was failing. Well, I fooled around and looked at it and went around and looked for some different pieces of aluminum I had, see if I had something I could just get in there real quick. And then I finally went, hey, just 3D print the doggone thing. And that's the purpose of this video. If you guys don't have a 3D printer yet, they're not that expensive. Yeah, you got to learn how to draw in 3D. So I made this little piece right here. And let me show you it in place here. Look out Howie, he's laying down here. Flip the camera here a little bit. Whoa! Well, Charlie almost knocked the other door right off. Okay, there we are. Charlie. Okay, so basically this piece slides on like so. Drop it down, line it up, and now I got let me go on the other side. Now I got a guide to keep that rod in. Just a couple minutes drawing it, and I think it took 20 minutes for the printer to print it. And let me finish installing it, and I'll bring you right back. Okay, let's give it a little test run here. Open it up. You can see the little guys up in there. And it holds it in. Basically just hot glued it to the piece there. And watch yourself there, Howie. And the unit works fine. So, hey, the whole moral of this was, yeah, I'm a happy seagull like usual, but happy seagull like usual, but just got to tout the fact of the 3D printer. I use it all the time, and like I said, if you guys don't have one, they're not that expensive. It's a nice tool to add to the shop. All right, well, thanks for stopping by the shop. This is Friday evening, just screwing around, and hope you enjoyed.